We have over there the water tower, which is the farm, and the road in front of us is made out of concrete, asphalt. Unfortunately it's dirty because it's raining. Here is the entrance to the farm. Inside the farm there is a concrete road. We have the 5 storages, first the small one and the 4 bigger one. These 4 are all the same size. So this is the last one, and right here near it we have a deposit out of concrete for silos made. Right there you can see a weighing house. There is a big scale for the Lastkraftwagen. So there are 2 entrance gates. The first one we just entered, and this is the second one. And there is brand new fence all around the farm on that side, and here on this side as well, all around the farm, these brand new fences. So these buildings are used for deposit as well, but they have roof, and behind them there are pallets, 10 boxes for pigs. The entrance to the boxes is on the other side, and these 2 buildings are for deposit. There have been cows stored lately here. So here is the water tower, and this used to be a deposit for wheat. These are behind the buildings, the backside of the farm. And this is the inside of the smaller hangar.